First of all, you're going to click on the send icon in the middle bottom of the screen. Once here, you can choose how you want your money to arrive. That's mobile money account, bank account, or to another Nala user's wallet. Now let's add the details of the person you wish to send money to and create a new recipient. You can also enable your phone contacts to choose a recipient from your contact list. Great. Now key in the amount you wish to send and it will show what they'll receive. In this case, I'm going to send her £10. Now, let's select the payment method. Just follow the same process we discussed earlier, and instead of choosing card payment, let's go with the bank transfer option. Hit send money. Once you do this, you'll be prompted to enter your bank details and you'll be presented with a list of banks which you can choose from. But if you already know what your bank is, you can just proceed and search for it directly. Once confirmed, you'll be directed out of the app momentarily to your bank's website. Once in the website, you'll log into your bank account. So once you're in your bank account, just follow the prompts, and once everything has been confirmed, you'll be redirected back to the Nala app. And there you have it. You just send money via bank transfer.